All right. Well, welcome back to Universal Studios, Florida, Universal Orlando Resort, Florida, and City Walk on a busy Sunday for spring break. We are here to check out the construction progress for the brand new for 2027 Fast and Furious Orlando Drift. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoa, I can't believe I said that. Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. The Orlando version. Wow. Everyone said it should be called Orlando Drift. That would have just been too awesome. But no, Orlando's version of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, opening in 2027. Not to be confused with Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift in Hollywood, California, opening up later this year in 2026. Can't wait to be there for that. But we are walking along the waterfront and you see all these construction walls. That is because right on the other side is a live construction zone for the new roller coaster. Wish we could blip and fast forward a year from now because we will be seeing a 165-foot, hit me in the comments if I'm off a little bit, 160 plus foot spike where the ride vehicles are spinning right above the walkway in City Walk. So it's definitely going to be something to see. So, thanks to all the awesome YouTube channels that we love to watch and follow, we are going to go up the super secret, not so much, but the way to the second floor of Hard Rock Cafe, which will give us a better view of the construction. We're going to try, and for now, I'm going to give y'all a boost over the wall. Wow, you can get right up on this. All right, so I am definitely not a construction expert, but I do know that those footers, I believe, go deep into the ground, and that is ultimately what holds the pillars that you eventually will put the track on. So everywhere you see those footers, gonna be track. And the track is already here in Orlando, just a few miles away, at a back lot of Epic Universe, parking lot, I believe. And we're hoping that very soon the track will be brought over to here and we can start to see the first track being laid. Now this is going to be the front part of the ride, where the 160-foot spike lives, along with one of the multi-launches. And we will get a better view of the back part of the ride, where you will board Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift once we walk back into Universal Studios, Florida. All right, let's go to the top and get another view. But it is a Sunday here, so no one is working. Hope all the awesome workers putting together this ride are having a great Sunday, but expect to see more work tomorrow and throughout the week because they are absolutely flying here since tearing down the previous ride, Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket. All right, I think I definitely just bored my girlfriend out of here looking at construction, but to me it's super cool. It'll look even more cool once we start seeing track, but if y'all can see over here, hold on, there we go. That is where we believe the 165-foot spike will be. rising you out of the ground, up in the air, while the cars are actually spinning to get you that drift feel. We having fun. Life is good, everybody. Enjoy it. Love each other. Spread love. Can't believe no one's up here. It's so cool. There she is. This is so cool up here, isn't it though? Like, it's nice. But tell me, did the winds get the chance to dance along the light of day and head back to the Milky Way? Tell me. So gonna get hit with copyright. But if I have to change it because of the copyright, they're gonna hear me singing this with like some generic YouTube music and wondering what the F I'm doing. Promise you it's Train. Na 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 na. I can't believe they tore down Rocket so fast. Yeah? All right, and let's take it inside the park and see if we can get a view of the back part of this huge, huge construction zone for the new for 2027 roller coaster, Fast and Furious Hollywood Trip.